Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Avis in Vancouver Airport. And thanks for tuning in and watching. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on that like button. And I'm not sure how they have things laid out here. These are all marked as preferred spots. So we got a mix of just about everything here. Oh, here's something some of you guys might be interested in, the GMC Denali. And we got a larger Suburban down here. Again, this is Avis. And then we have one of these large Ford SUVs. I always forget the name. I kind of like that with all the blackout trim. You know what? I don't know if these are going to be locked. Yeah, that's what I figured. It's locked. We got another Suburban over here. Actually, two of them. These are looking pretty new. And what else we got down here? We got a minivan. Not too much interest down here. And there's an interesting mix over here. I don't know if these are some cars from staff, but there's an old Buick here. You never know what you're going to see. I think some of these probably belong to staff. But we'll just walk down to the end here. Got an Audi there. Santa Fe. Again, it's fairly busy on a Friday here. Some of these cars on the left might be Enterprise. I'm not too sure. But overall, yeah, it doesn't look like there's too many cars, but it's just been so busy here. Like I mentioned, Avis and Hertz have been completely sold out this weekend for quite some time, so not as much to show you guys. But there's a minivan over here, a truck, Camry, VW, 4Runner, another minivan, and these are probably upgrades over here. We got another Mustang, very similar to one of the ones in Toronto. And we got a BMW, maybe an X5. And I think that's probably going to wrap it up for Avis. All right, we're back here at Avis on a Sunday, later in the afternoon. So keep in mind a lot of the cars are going to be over in the returns aisle. So this is what they have parked in the reserve spots over at Avis. We got a Santa Fe here, an Audi Q3. Somebody's taking this Hyundai Kona. We got a couple cars coming in here. Try not to get run over. And you can see a bunch of cars in the returns. Too much more to show you here. This goes a 5-liter Mustang. I think that one's going over to Hertz. Okay, just wrap things up with Avis here. Just wanted to give you a quick tour on Sunday afternoon.